I don't know if I've ever shown you guys, but I actually have quite the collection of Hot Wheels right now. Kind of color-coded these ones. I have a bunch more in another box, including some antique ones. And then I'm also a huge Spider-Man fan. What the heck is up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Kyle Allen. Thank you so much for watching. Today we have install of the rear seat, which I'm super excited about. I finally got the bolts from Ace Hardware. And then I'm also going to be installing, hopefully, not sure yet, the rear tire mount bracket. So that'll be a big deal for me. Oh my gosh, kitty. That'll be a big deal for me. I'm just super excited to have it back in. I haven't had it in for like a year because we went off-roading and we took it out and then I left it at my dad's down in Southern Oregon. And he finally just brought it back up. So I'm really excited to get that in. Ironically though, we're gonna have to take it back out this Sunday. We're gonna be doing the kill mat and carpet install, which I'm so excited for that. But we've had some issues here lately. It was supposed to happen last week, but then we got this ice and snow, and then basically all the power was out for like 11 days at my uncle's house where I was gonna do the project. So he just got the power back on, he just gave me the go. But I'm gonna install the rear seat anyway. It's just sitting back there, which is kind of dangerous because if we get into a crash, it can slide, hit me, do anything, kill my wife, you know, I don't want that. Typical Oregon, it's raining, but it's also freaking sunny out. Like, look at this. It's insane. I don't know about you guys, but I seriously hate having a messy car, but I always find myself having a messy car. It like really stresses me out, but at the same time, I really don't give myself time to deal with it. Like, look at this. This thing from last week, I got a random hitch right there. I've got a trash bag full of nothing. This piece that also goes to the hub remover. A couple of jackets. This piece that goes to the freaking steering wheel area. 2 masks. This piece that also goes to the steering wheel. Like, Dutch Bros. All these bolts and nuts in here. It's freaking ridiculous. Alright, you guys, so for those of you who are still with me, smash that like button and then give me a follow, subscribe, and then if you can, hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you guys get a notification when the video is out, so that way you can be the first ones to view it. Alright, so you guys can see I just got it in place here. I haven't actually bolted anything in, but yeah, it looks really good actually. It's been under a tarp for like 8 or 9 months. So it definitely needs to be cleaned up, and we are actually gonna dye it black. These pieces right here, this section all the way down, the armrest, it's all gonna be black. so much for watching my video. I did get the rear seat installed fully. The spare tire bracket is not the right one for my style Blazer, apparently. We bought it like a couple years ago. I never actually installed it. I just had it in there because I never had the bolts, so I never even thought to fit it in. But it is the wrong style for it, so I'll have to figure something out for that. So I'll probably just end up taking it out. But thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really do appreciate it. So if you guys enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. That way you can see more of my content that comes out. I should be uploading like once or twice a week here. And like I said, I have a huge video coming up next. I am super excited. So I can't wait to see you guys next time.